Can you have sleep apnea without snoring? Find out today on the Breathing Wellness Vlog. Welcome to the Breathing Wellness Vlog, a weekly video response to some of your questions about breathing, sleeping, and living a pain-free life. This week's question is, can you have sleep apnea without snoring? This one we hear pretty often, and it gives us an opportunity to clarify one very important point. If you've watched past episodes of the Breathing Wellness Vlog, you know we've put a lot of effort into educating patients who snore that they need to get checked for sleep apnea. But in doing so, we absolutely do not want to put out the misconception that if you don't snore, you're in the clear. Let's review the list of symptoms of sleep apnea as published by WebMD. Waking up with a very sore or dry throat, loud snoring, occasionally waking up with a choking or gasping sensation, sleepiness or lack of energy during the day, sleepiness while driving, morning headaches, restless sleep, forgetfulness, mood changes, and a decreased interest in sex, recurrent awakenings, or insomnia. As you can see, of the 9 symptoms listed, only 1 mentions snoring. I hope you found this video to be useful. We'll see you next time.